Hello, Mrs. Pratt here. I am so glad you are joining me to work on story problems today. So, you should get your paper out of your envelope. I send everybody an envelope full of papers to do every week. Get this paper out and do this work with me on story problems, okay? So you can follow along. So pause the video, go find your paper, and come back and do the work with me. So, when we do story problems, the very first thing you need to remember is to listen for the number words. Okay? So, let's listen for numbers while I read. You point to the words. 10. There's a number right there. We're going to circle it so we don't forget the number. 10 dogs are rolling in the grass. 2 dogs, circle the 2, go home. How many dogs are still rolling in the grass? So, we have our numbers circled, and look at all these different ways. We've practiced these. We can draw a picture. We can use a 10 frame. We will always write a number sentence. We do that last. Or we can use our number line. And we always have to have an answer. But we get to choose. Which way do we want to solve our problem? We get to choose. So, I think I will choose a 10 frame for this problem. So I'm going to use a 10 frame. I'm not going to do this one. I'm not going to do this one. Okay, I'm just going to do my 10 frame. Now, I've decided I'm going to use my 10 frame. I'm going to start with my first number. There are 10 dogs. So I'm going to fill in my 10 frame with 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I know a 10 frame, if it's all full, it's 10. So I'm good. That's 10 dots for 10 dogs. Now it says 2 dogs go home. If 2 dogs go home, are we going to cross some dots out or are we going to add some more? Well, if they left, they're not there anymore, so we have to cross them out. 2 dogs go home. Cross out 2 dots. Okay? So now, what's the answer? We just count the rest of the dots that we didn't cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer, my answer, 8. And they already wrote dogs for you, so we know what we're counting. Now, we can make a number sentence. There were 10 dogs rolling in the grass. 2, that's our other number. 2 dogs go home. Go home. That means they left. That means it's takeaway. How many dogs are still rolling in the grass? Well, we counted. It's 8. 10 take away 2 equals 8. All right, let's do another one. If you're not caught up, you can pause the video and then come join me when you have all this part done, okay? Lucy has 9, circle the $9. She's pretty lucky. She lost, $5. Circle the 5. How much money does Lucy have left? So, we get to decide, do we want to draw a picture? Do we want to use our 10 frame? Or do we want to use our number line? Let's use our number line this time, so we don't have to draw a picture, and we're not going to use the 10 frame. We're just going to use our number line. Now, let's go back and look. Lucy has 9. There's our number 9, so we have to start at the 9. She had $9. She lost 5. If she lost 5, do we have to, does that mean we subtract, we go this way? Or does she have more? Yeah, if she lost the dollars, we're going to go this way. So, how much did she lose? $5. And we have to hop before we count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She lost $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're on the number 4. So here's my answer. 4. And they wrote dollars for you. Now we're going to make a number sentence. So we go back and we look at our numbers. Lucy has $9. She lost 5. If she lost 5, is that adding? Did she get more money? Or is it take away? She lost some money, take away. So, take away 9, take away 5 equals 4. And that's it. We're done. So now, you need to do the 2 problems on the back. I put them at the bottom of the page. So let's see what you can do.